Alright, so today we're going to be building a tufting frame. Now, I have no instructions, as you can see. Order this on Amazon, make one yourself, but we got it, so let's get to it. What you're going to need is your frame, and you're going to need a drill. Also, the tools that come with it. Look, we got this part done. Alright.
A few moments later.
This is what your frame should look like. We got these right here, but let's go to it. Alright, so do this to all four corners. Hey, y'all better not put my feet on Feet Finder.
What?
Oh, I was kidding. Bro, nails almost stabbed my face. Damn, Daniel. Oh, I would have died and started bleeding out. I'm a professional. I made my first mistake. If you guys can see, I put this down. It's supposed to be here. It's like, I'm so dumb. Y'all better not be putting my toes on Feet Finder. I'll start with the top one. You see, so I'm doing the top one so I don't have to hold it. I already feel the blood rushing through my brain. Make sure you wear a helmet. I don't have a helmet.
Wait for it.
Alright, so once you... Ouch. Woo! Let's go. I might have lose so much blood after this. Don't worry. I'll just get diabetes. Check that. I'll just have a lot of... The yarn, you're going to put the yarn over here. Like, it's going to be like this. Where's the other one? So it would be like this. Alright, so y'all, I made a second mistake. So, logically, it would make sense for this to be on top. Rather, it should be on the bottom. Alright, me and screw it. Reverse the drilling. So it should look like this. Now we just got to do the other one. This. Missing one nail. Oh, I found it. Alright, y'all, we're done. But they gave us the cloth. So yeah, let's put it together. Once you put the cloth on it, it should be good. Our first time, we both beginners. You can do it! But yeah, tell me how it worked out for y'all in the comments after y'all build it. It's pretty simple, common sense. I ain't using no instructions, you feel me? I'm built different. And by the way, it's been 5 years since I upload. Stay up for part 2, because I'm going to get the machine to start making carpets. It's going to be up.
Straight to it on my mama, we lit.
Well, I'm back.